If you are looking for how to combine picture and text in PowerPoint, then keep watching. First, you need to click on the insert and go to the text box. Here you can see that. Click on that and draw a text box. Draw a text box and type the text which you want. And now right click on the dot. You can see that and go to the format shape. And here you can see that fill and solid fill. You need to click on the picture option. Click on the insert from a file and select the picture of your choice. I'm selecting this one. Click on insert and here. Now you can easily move picture and text anywhere on the slide. So even you can rotate it from the rotate handle or anywhere and position as per your need, resize it. This is what you can easily combine picture and text in PowerPoint. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.